Number 1. Stay in your time zone. Anxiety is a future-oriented state of mind, so instead of worrying about what's going to happen, reel yourself back to the present. Ask yourself, what's happening right now? Am I safe? Is there something I need to do right now? If not, make an appointment to check in with yourself later in the day to revisit your worries so those distant scenarios don't throw you off track. Number 2. Relabel what's happening. Panic attacks can often make you feel like you're dying or having a heart attack. Remind yourself, I'm having a panic attack, but it's harmless, it's temporary, and there's nothing I need to do. Plus, keep in mind that it really is the opposite of a sign of impending death. Your body is activating its fight or flight response, the symptom that's going to keep you alive. Number 3. Fact-check your thoughts. People with anxiety often fixate on worst-case scenarios. To combat these worries, think about how realistic they are. Say you're nervous about a big presentation at work. Rather than think, I'm going to bomb, for example, say, I'm nervous, but I'm prepared. Some things will go well and some may not. Getting into a pattern of rethinking your fears helps train your brain to come up with a rational way to deal with your anxious thoughts. Number 4. Breathe in and out. Deep breathing helps you calm down. While you may have heard about specific breathing exercises, you don't need to worry about counting out a certain number of breaths. Instead, just focus on evenly inhaling and exhaling. This will help slow down and recenter your mind. Number 5. Follow the 3-3-3 rule. Look around you and name 3 things you see. Then name 3 sounds you hear. Finally, move 3 parts of your body like your ankle, finger, or arm. Whenever you feel your brain going 100 miles per hour, this mental trick can help center your mind, bringing you back to the present moment.